Is there any new business?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I move that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week. Is there any discussion on the main
Madam
motion?
President,
Yes, Gavin.
I'm for this motion because this allows the FFA to give back to the community because there's always someone in need of food.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this motion because during National FFA Week we might be busy. Please join me in a no vote. Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I think that would be a good idea to have a food drive because there are people that don't get food because of the coronavirus laying people off. I encourage a no, yes vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I'm against this motion because during National FFA Week, it will be cold since it is in February and still winter. So please don't pass this motion.
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I move to lay this motion on the table.
Is there a second?
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we lay this motion on the table. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I was in favor of this motion because in February it could be cold and the drive-through to keep all of the people warmer when we hand out food to the people in need. Please join me in a yes vote.
Is there any more
Madam
discussion?
President,
Yes, Carter.
I move to postpone this motion indefinitely.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we postpone this motion indefinitely. Is there any discussion on the
Madam
postponement?
President,
Yes, Ethan.
I rise against this motion because postponing it definitely would kill the motion, and I do not want to kill it because the food drive is good to help people in need. Please join me with a no vote.
Madam
Madam
President,
President,
Yes, Carter.
I am for postponing this indefinitely because we don't really need this. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and it's just not a good timing. So please postpone this.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I am for this postponement indefinitely because during National FFA Week we might be busy and there's no time for a national food drive. Please join me in yes vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I'm against this postponement because this will not allow us to give back to the community and will not allow us to give it back.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I'm against this motion because we have enough money to fund this. I think that would be a good idea. I encourage a no vote.
Madam President,
Yes,
I
Carter.
call upon previous question.
Previous question has been called. If passed, all debates will cease. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. Is there any more discussion on the postponement? Seeing none, we'll proceed to vote. All in favor of postponing this motion indefinitely, please say aye. All opposed, say nay.
Nay. Division.
Division has been called. We'll now proceed to vote by clear means. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I move to refer this motion to Committee of 3.
Is there a second?
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we refer this motion to a committee. Is there any discussion on the referral?
Madam President,
Yes, Ethan.
I rise in favor of this referral because it will give us more time to decide if this is a good idea to have a drive-through food drive. Please decide with me for a yes vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I rise against this referral because we will not have a say and it loses our democratic right. So please do not pass this referral.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I disagree with this motion because if we refer it to a committee of 3, it'll take too long. I encourage a no vote. Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this referral because more than 3 minds has better opinions on the motion. Please join me in a no vote.
Is there any more discussion on the
Madam
referral?
President,
Yes, Gavin.
I disagree with this because if we have a committee of 3, then it will not allow the whole group to decide, and it's better to have the whole group to decide than just the 3.
Is there any more discussion on the referral? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor of referring this to a committee, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I'm still against this motion because we never know what the weather will be like. And we never know how COVID-19 will be anyways, so please do not pass this motion.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I agree with this motion because I think that it will limit the possible cases of the coronavirus. I encourage yes vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I'm for this motion because our FFA chapter has the funds to assist in this, and it'll allow us to give back to the community for everything that they've done.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I rise for a 3-minute recess.
Is there a second?
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we take a 3-minute recess. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion.
Madam President,
Yes,
I
Jose.
run the parliamentary inquiry.
State your inquiry.
What motion does this vote, or what vote does this motion take?
Majority vote.
Thank you.
Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I rise in question of privilege.
State your question.
May we take our jackets off? It is hot in here.
No, you may not. Official meetings require official dress. Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this motion because it could cause more spread of the current pandemic. Please join me in a no vote.
Is there any more discussion on the main motion? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion passes.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I move that we adjourn this meeting.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we adjourn this meeting. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Meeting adjourned.